Hi, good evening all. In this video, we're going to take a look at the goal horns, every goal horn in the NHL, and I'll give you my honest opinion, a few seconds of each one, coming up. All right, guys, this was a bit of a project, but I've slapped it together, and we're going to we'll be brutally honest of the good, the bad, and the ugly of goal horns in the NHL. So, let's look at the clip. And Buffalo Sabres goal horn asked, video idea, react NHL goal horns. How original, Buffalo Sabres goal horn. But you requested it, and here it is. So we're going to get started, guys. And what I'll do is just put a pause between each one, let you know which one it is. It's going to be alphabetical, but it's going to go a little quick. So I'm going to have to just wing it that way with you guys, okay? Let's get started. Anaheim. And guys, I'm hoping, because I'm not using my wireless mic, that this picks it up better. I'm hoping. So I'm hoping the audio is good for you guys when the video is done after. Okay, here we go. I'm going to tell you right off the bat, I've always liked Anaheim, guys. Always liked it. You know, some people, it's not for them. I've always really liked Anaheim. Okay, Arizona. I don't know what to rate that. 6 on 10. It's not bad. It's not that bad. Our buddies from Boston are next. It's not bad. Another one. I'd rate that average, like Arizona, about the same. Here comes ours. Guys, I've always loved our horn, so I'm not being a biased Sabres fan either. I've always loved the Sabres goal horn. If we change that, we're out of our minds. If anything that's went right during the tank era is we have one of the best goal horns in hockey for sure. Carolina next. Kind of sucks. Moving on. Columbus. It's not bad. It's not bad. Calgary. Not a big fan of it. Chicago. Chicago's isn't bad, but folks, didn't they have something very similar sounding to ours years ago and they changed it? They should have kept the other one. But as long as we don't hear that lame goal song that they play, which is the worst in the league. Okay, next one, Colorado. Well, Colorado don't just have a good team, they have a really good goal horn. I like it, I do. Dallas. Not crazy about it. Detroit. Again, middle tier, you know, middle of the pack. Edmonton. Well, they got the best player in the world. They just don't have the best goal horn, folks. Moving on. Florida. I like Florida's. That's good. Los Angeles. Don't like it. Minnesota. It's average again. I'm not crazy about it, to be honest. Montreal. Don't like it. New Jersey. Not bad. That's about it. It's not bad. A lot of them sound similar, as we notice. Next one's Nashville. I like Nashville, and I've seen Nashville fans accuse Buffalo fans of stealing their sound. And we've had that sound before you guys existed. So stop it. Next, New York Islanders. The Islanders isn't bad. I didn't mention Nashville. I like Nashville's sound. I do. I like that kind of foghorn sound. I like that particular sound. The Islanders used to have a better one back in their dynasty days. They did. I don't know why they got rid of it. Next one, the Rangers. That's bad. I don't like it at all. Ottawa. Sorry, folks. I should have told you that was Ottawa that I just played. Next one, Philadelphia. Oh, it's really bad. Philadelphia and Ottawa both kind of suck. Okay. Pittsburgh. Not crazy about Pittsburgh either. San Jose. I like San Jose. Yeah, that's a good one. Seattle next. Not bad. Seattle's isn't too bad. I'm not very familiar with their goal horn. Next, St. Louis. Yeah, I could live with that. It's not bad, actually. I would put them. I would put it in the top 10 somewhere. It's not bad. Next, Tampa Bay. Don't like it. Another one I don't like. I'm pretty picky about goal horns, folks. Toronto. Not bad, middle of the pack again. But Toronto, what I will say for Toronto, they probably have the best one in Canada. I'll have to hear Vancouver's again, which is coming up next. Similar. Oops, sorry guys, let me just back that up a bit. Okay. Vancouver, not bad. Same thing like Toronto, middle of the pack. You know, there's ones I really don't like. I'm going to do this at the end, guys. I'm going to give you my 5 favorites and my 5 most disliked at the end. Next, our buddies from Vegas, the Golden Knights. Here we go. I might even put that in the top 10. It's not bad. Next, Washington. Way too much overkill. No, way too much overkill. They should fix that, really. The last one will be Winnipeg once Washington's is done. My goodness. Here we go. Don't like Winnipeg's either. Okay, so Washington, Winnipeg, nah, I wouldn't want anything to do with those goal horns. Okay, give me 1 sec, guys. I'm gonna now quickly go through my 5 favorite and my 5 most disliked. Okay, so here we go. Number 5, Colorado comes in at number 5. My most liked. So I got Colorado at number 5. I like that. I like that horn. I like all these horns I'm going to show you. Coming in at number 4, Nashville. The only thing they did wrong, I believe, there is there was too much overkill on one note, but again, it's a good sounding horn. Next one, coming in at number 3, is San Jose. And number 2, and I'm serious about this, Buffalo, number 2. Okay, number 1, before I show you, guys, this has probably been my favorite goal horn for a long time in the NHL. So, you know, it's nothing against our goal horn. I love our goal horn. But there's just something about this goal horn that I really like when I see this team score and it's live. So here it is. Number 1, Anaheim. I just really like that sound. It totally sounds like a ship coming in and everything. It's a perfect foghorn. I like that. I like Anaheim as number 1. I could have told you that without you guys even hearing it though before the video started. Okay, my 5 most disliked. Okay, here we go. Number 5, Calgary. Just don't like it. Too noisy. If that makes sense. Ottawa, number 4. These sound tinny, if that makes right. Number 3, Winnipeg. That sounds like you're about to get hit by a train in a car. You know, I just don't like it. They should have some sort of jet sound or something. Number 2, Montreal. I've always hated that goal horn. Oh my God. And not because it's the Habs, it's awful. And number 1 is a runaway for me, guys. It's the worst goal horn in the entire NHL. Edmonton come in at number 1. This is just awful. All right, guys. The video dragged a little longer than I hoped, but I'll try to just, I'll just put it out there and you guys have fun with it or you won't. But look, for the fans that I picked their 5 teams, and if you notice it was a Canadian sweep. I don't understand how in Canada we're so terrible with goal horns, but we are. We are. Toronto and Vancouver are middle tier at best, but at least they're not like god-awful like these 5. These 5 are just horrible. Edmonton, for me, stands out above everybody as the worst goal horn in hockey. Absolutely. And on a good day, guys, I'd say Buffalo's is the best, but I just have that, I love that ship sound of that Anaheim Ducks foghorn. I just love the sound of that horn. I just do. I've always liked it. So, okay, that's it. So I hope you had some fun with this. Buffalo Sabres goal horn, there you go. Over and done with. Hopefully the audio comes out good. See you in the next video, guys.